What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct. I've got Pater here beside me and we recently just did an overview of his GT-R. Now, he's gonna go over some of the parts that he already has installed and maybe some of the parts that he'll do in the future. So let's get it started.
What's up guys, my name is Pater. I'm here at RallySport Direct. Today we're gonna talk about the Cobb AccessPORT. This is vehicle specific, so it's for a 2009 and up model. It's definitely all plug and play. That's the sweet part about this. You can actually just pull it right out, plug it right into your GT-R, and it already comes with custom maps, custom tunes on it. So any mods that you currently have right now, you can actually sync it up with that. There's also a sweet valet mode. If you're parking your car and you don't want the valet to mess it up, it's already installed in this and you can change it right on the fly. One nice feature that it has on the new version 3, you can go ahead and actually customize it to however you like. So if you want to change the faceplate, keep it the same. Also comes with this right here where you can go ahead and mount it into your car and always have it running. One personal thing that I love about this in my GT-R is that you can actually change all the clutch learning points right in your driveway. You don't have to go to a dealership to do any of that. Also on top of it is that this is the best thing that you can get for power bang to buck ratio right here. So want to learn more about it? Check out the link below. Until next time.